Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 outlook. We have two slight risk areas tomorrow, one covering far southwestern South Dakota, western Nebraska, northwestern Kansas, and northeastern Colorado. And a second slight tomorrow covers much of the southeastern half of Iowa, northeastern Missouri, southern Wisconsin, the northern half of Illinois, most of Michigan, most of Indiana, the northwestern half of Ohio, extreme northwestern Pennsylvania, and far southwestern New York State. Cities in tomorrow's slights include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And we have a marginal tomorrow that covers eastern Montana, western North Dakota, eastern Wyoming, western half of South Dakota, northeastern Colorado, pretty much most of Nebraska, northern Kansas, parts of Iowa, far southeastern Minnesota, parts of Missouri, central Illinois, southern Indiana, central Wisconsin, north central Kentucky, parts of Michigan, northern Michigan I should say, parts of Ohio, a little bit of northern West Virginia, western and northwestern Pennsylvania, and southwestern New York. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, St. Louis, Missouri, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Cincinnati, Ohio. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow, encompassing far southeastern Iowa, far northeastern Missouri, parts of Illinois, most of Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and south central Michigan. Tomorrow's 2% tornado risk area tomorrow include Indianapolis, Indiana, Toledo, Ohio, Fort Wayne, Indiana, Joliet, Illinois, and Lansing, Michigan. Going to tomorrow's wind threat, there are two areas where we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. One that covers far southwestern South Dakota, parts of central Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, and northwestern Kansas. And a second 15% wind risk tomorrow encompasses southeastern half of Iowa, northeastern Missouri, southern Wisconsin, northern half of Illinois, most of Michigan, most of Indiana, northwestern half of Ohio, the far northwestern edge of Pennsylvania, and far southwestern New York State. Cities in the 15% wind risk areas tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And there is a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, encompassing eastern Montana, western North Dakota, eastern Wyoming, western half of South Dakota, most of Nebraska, eastern Colorado, northern Kansas, most of Iowa, far southeastern Minnesota, northern Missouri, central Wisconsin, central Illinois, parts of northern Michigan, southern Indiana, north central Kentucky, southeastern half of Ohio, a tiny bit of north central West Virginia, western and northwestern Pennsylvania, and southwestern New York. The 5% wind risk area tomorrow includes Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, St. Louis, Missouri, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Cincinnati, Ohio. And to tomorrow's hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, encompassing far southwestern South Dakota, western Nebraska, northwestern Kansas, and northeastern Colorado. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes North Platte, Nebraska, Scottsbluff, Nebraska, and Sterling, Colorado. And there is a broad 5% hail risk tomorrow that encompasses eastern Montana, western North Dakota, eastern Wyoming, western half of South Dakota, eastern Colorado, most of Nebraska, northern half of Kansas, far far southeastern Minnesota, most of Iowa, northern Missouri, southern half of Wisconsin, most of Illinois, most of Michigan, most of Indiana, north central Kentucky, most of Ohio, a little bit of north central West Virginia, western and northwestern Pennsylvania, and southwestern New York State. The 5% hail risk area tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So, okay, in summary, scattered severe storms are possible over parts of the Midwest and over the Central High Plains. Areas of damaging winds and hail will be possible. So, that's my Day 2 outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Take today to prepare for tomorrow's severe weather, and I will go over all of this again tomorrow morning. And one disclaimer, I will be filling in for SPC convective outlooks for both days 1 and 2 tomorrow, because he'll be on the road heading to New Jersey, so he will not be able to do the days 1 and 2 outlooks tomorrow, so I'll be filling in for SPC convective outlooks for both days 1 and 2 tomorrow. So stay safe tomorrow, and I will go over all of this again tomorrow morning. Take care.